Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Christmas Godzilla vs. Ghidorah surprise fold. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. All we want to do is just take your paper and fold it in half, so we just line up the corners and give it a nice little crease down here. Next, what I like to do is actually fold it in half again. So I just take it, line up the corners one more time, and then just go ahead and fold it. Now when I open it up, you can see that I have two halves of my picture. So I've got the top and bottom, and then when I open it up, I have the inside. And now this fold and this fold serve as nice little guidelines, so I don't have to worry about drawing above this line or below this line. Now to start off with our Christmas Godzilla surprise fold, let's begin with the eye. So I'm going to begin right over here, and we just want to start by drawing a line that just goes down, and then we're just going to come back like this. Next, we're going to start here. We're going to draw a little line that's going to go down, and then it's going to come up for the eye. Then I like to bring this line back, and then I kind of angle it down. Then I'll add another line or two inside of here, with a little line underneath the eye. Next, we're going to bring this line up a little bit, and I'm going to bring it back to about here. Now, starting here, I'm going to make some little smiley face shape lines that are going to come to right about here. And starting here, I'm going to draw some more little kind of sad face lines that come right to about here. Next, starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come up, and we're going to bring it down here for like a Santa hat shape. Then I'm going to bring this line up to here. Next, we're going to just continue this curved line here and here. And right here, we'll make kind of like a bumpy little shape around here for the end of the hat. Now, starting here, we're just going to draw a little line that comes over. Right here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to go up and down, and then up here for one of the spikes. Next, starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come out, and then we're going to come down here. I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down, and then I'm going to come in here. Next, I'm going to make a little line that's going to come down. We're going to go over, and I'm going to curve this up. Starting here, I'm going to draw a little line down, and we'll make another little line that comes right over here. Then right here, I'm going to draw a couple little curved lines just for his stomach and his neck. And right here, we're going to add a little curved line. Now, starting over here, let's put King Ghidorah. So I'm going to start right over here. Now, to start off with King Ghidorah, let's begin with the eye. So I'm going to start right about here, kind of lined up with Godzilla's eye. And we're just going to draw a line that's going to go down, and then it's going to come back here like a check mark shape. Next, we're going to draw a little line that's going to come across and up. Starting here, I'm going to make this line go up. We're going to come back, and I'm going to make a couple little points on it like this. Starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to come down. Then I'm going to add a little line that's just going to go up and then down to here. I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down, and then we're going to go over. I'm making a little line that's going to go down, and I'm going to bring this over. Right here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go down, and then it's going to come up. We'll do another one here, and one more right to here. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down, and then we're going to curve it in and down just a little bit. Right here, we're going to add a little curved line for the nose, and I'll draw a little line that comes down right by the eye. Starting here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to go up and down, and then one more here. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a long line that's going to curve back just to kind of show where the horn is. Then we're going to put a couple curved lines across. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a circle on the nose. And we're going to make another little circle inside of here, kind of like he has a little Rudolph nose on his nose. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up. I'm going to curve out and in. We'll go up, out, and in. And then we'll make one more line that goes. Now the video kind of cut out, but you just want to go ahead and add a couple little antlers on here just by drawing a little line that goes up. You're just kind of going out and in, and putting a little bump at the top. Now once we're all done with this, we're going to open up our surprise fold and start working on the inside. Now, once we open it up, you can see we have two halves of our picture, our top half of Godzilla and Ghidorah, and then the bottom half. Now, we're going to use these folds right here as our kind of guidelines. So let's start with Godzilla. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw this line down, and then we'll draw this line up. This one's going to go below the fold, this one's going to go above the fold. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go down. We're going to bring it down to here. I want to bring this line over and just connect it to here. Now inside of here we're going to give him some teeth. So we just want to start by making some pointy little teeth, kind of like some V shapes all the way to the back. And same thing here, we're just going to make some little triangle shapes all across here for some teeth. Also right here I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to go over. We're going to come down and curve it around for a tongue. Now same thing with Ghidorah. We're going to draw a line that's going to come down below the fold. And we'll make a line that comes up above the fold. We're going to draw a line that's going to go over. We're going to come down and connect it to here. Then same thing in here, we're going to draw some pointy V shapes on the top. I'm kind of curving these a little bit more. And we'll draw some curvy little triangle shapes right here at the bottom. And here we'll also make a tongue. We're just going to make a line that's going to go down and up, and that's going to curve back. Now we also want them to each have their own little blast going on. So I'm going to start right here with Godzilla's, and I'm going to draw a line that's going to come here, and another little line that's going to come straight across. Now Ghidorah's, I'm going to make his look a little bit more like lightning. So I'm going to make some kind of wavy, bumpy lines that come across. I'm going to do the same thing down here, just some kind of wavy, bumpy lines. Then we're going to make some big kind of pointed zigzag lines right here in the middle where they are meeting for their big blast. And then we're just going to make kind of like a zigzag style line right across the middle. And there you go. There is your drawing of your Christmas Godzilla versus your Christmas King Ghidorah surprise fold. So when you fold up, you have both of them in their Christmas attire looking at each other. And when you open it up, they are shooting their blasts at each other. And there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.